welcome. This is what we're doing today. Putting this on this, and it's gonna sound crazy. For those of you wondering, this is a brilliant exhaust system. This is an Aventador S Roadster.
Wheels off. Removing the bottom skid plates, center and wheel wells cover after that.
So, we got the old exhaust out. There it is. Heat shielding covering it. Yep. We'll get the other one on. Almost there. What do we got in, T-Boy?
Got the 2 new downpipes.
Beautiful.
Ready for the muffler.
Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. This right here is the ECU. We sent it away to JNATHYN to get a little juicing. And now it's back, ready to go in.
Got all the new exhaust and downpipes in. Just finishing up a couple of small things so we'll be ready to test.
Let's hear what this thing sounds like. Time for an oil change. Now let's give you guys a sneak peek of what it sounds like before the customer.
Otherwise, it's not the same. You can't go from like the SVJ straight pipe to a stock. You just can't. You know, see the fitments look good with the tips.
Yeah,
right?
Lined up really well.
That's great. Way different than the stock, for sure.